Nikita from Naturally Green. Today you are there at the South India's largest garden center. We are the manufacturers of pots and fertilizers. We have a wide range of pots and fertilizers available with us. But today in this video we'll be talking about the small pots that we have newly introduced and the succulent pots. The pots range from 10 rupees and goes up to 15,000 rupees. So that is the variety that we have. So in the Buddha pot we have two sizes. One is 5.2 inches and the bigger one is 6.2 inches. You can see the smiling Buddha, the face. It is very attractive. It can be kept on the side tables. The cost of this is only 69 rupees. The cost of bigger Buddha is only 100 rupees. You can see how attractive it looks. The smile of the Buddha is very, very attractive. We don't generally tend to see that smiling Buddha. Next pot is the Siddhi pot, also known as the Shankh pot. There are three different colors in this: skin, grey and white. This price is of 100 rupees. Next is the duck pot. Again, there are multiple colors in this: green, white, red. We have different varieties. Kids love these colors. Also, there's a hole here. It can be used as the water can. I'll just show you. Next, coming in the small pots is the succulent pot. We have price starting from 10 rupees. You can see we have grown succulents. This is how it grows. You can make a lot of designs in the succulent pot. All these pots are used for succulents, and price starts from 10 and going up to 50,000. The pot ranges from 10 rupees to 15,000 rupees. So we have the widest collection in South of India. It is believing, but I'm sure you want to feel it and experience this journey, experience this garden center by your own. So we have a lot of ample parking space. I invite all of you to visit the Naturally Green Garden Center at HSR Layout, Bangalore.